When you come to a nightclub, you want to immerse yourself in the experience sonically. You need to have a real presence.
I think the number one is just how clear it is. Doesn't matter how hard you go or if the speakers are pumping, it's still so clear.
And if you play on a good sound system like tonight, loud doesn't hurt you, and there was no distortion at all. I really noticed the stereo field. There were certain things I don't notice in nightclubs, and I really noticed certain things tonight, and that was really quite apparent.
You can actually hear what the producer was trying to tell through his music, through the sound system. And before that, it was just a sound system.